DJI just released the new drone. I want it. No, actually I need it. Hello, this is the big camera shop. Speaking to Dave. Yeah, how are you, mate? Yeah, radiant, sir, radiant. Yeah, I was thinking about the DJI has released the Avatar 360 and I wanted to trade in my DJI Mini 3 Pro. What kind of an offer could you do me? You tell me I'm not gonna get anything for the Mini 3 Pro, but I can bring in my electronic junk for you to recycle free of charge. Yes, good day, sir. What a knobhead. Oh dear, here we go. Dave, despite being a massive knobhead, might have a method to the madness here. Before exploring a tempting alternative to Dave, let's have a look. Dave runs a big, massive camera shop. All he thinks is how he can move his stock fast to earn as much money as he possibly can. For, posh biscuits and maybe to employ Tommy Boy and to have some light in his shop and a boat in France and for whatever you're used to splurge as a camera shop owner. Now, he is obliged to give a warranty for the used drone you traded in, and it's a huge, massive risk for Dave because he can't know if the drone has been crashed to a tree or in this case to a thumb. It, by the way, hurts. I can't recommend, to be honest. So for Dave, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a worthless, high-friction item, and if you make a warranty claim, he might be out of biscuits for a week or can't jump in the pool in southern France. But to be honest, he would make Tommy Boy homeless and let you shop in the dark than discard the pool. Massive knobhead. You know, we are the same person, right? Buddy, I think it's your time to go. There is an alternative. Selling the Mini 3 Pro from the boot of your car or FB Marketplace can be a tempting alternative. But for the buyer, it's a risky move if the seller has a sore thumb and the drone has brand spanking new propellers. Also, he or she won't get any warranty whatsoever. And as a seller, if the deal is meant to happen at 2 a.m. at the car park, it might be, well, it's not on the cards. Let's put it that way. But what if there is a third option? What if you just took your DJI Mini 3 Pro, take it to the sky, and think about it. It has exactly the same image quality and all the bells and whistles and ukuleles it had on the first day, and it was a revolutionary drone. when it was released. It hasn't gotten any worse since release of the Mini 4 Pro and 5 Pro or the Avatar 360 or whatever there might be on the market. The Mini 3 Pro still delivers.